And we are live. Welcome to Protea Live. My name is Zane Stevens. I'm the founder of Protea Financial. And welcome back. A little break. Had a good old common cold, so wasn't sounding too great. But I'm back, and I have an important topic to talk about today. I want to talk about the disrespect that bookkeeping gets. It blows my mind how people can think bookkeeping is not important. I hear too often, a company needs a CFO and it needs it right now. I'm like, who's doing your bookkeeping? Well, I'm trying to put it together. Okay. Do you have experience? No, I don't. I went to business school. I can figure it out. Not good enough. Not good enough at all. If you want to go ahead and hire a CFO, that's great, but you need to provide that person with good information. The only way to provide them with good information is to have great transactional accounting. Who does the transactional accounting? The bookkeeper. So why do we disregard this important part of the financial process? Bookkeepers are important. Without a really good transactional accountant, somebody that's doing the bookkeeping, you're bound to fail. We all know the story, junk in, junk out. So if people are working with junk information because you're trying to piece it together yourself and you're not sort of putting the effort into making sure that information is accurate and most importantly, consistent, use the same general ledger accounts for that expense month in, month out, it's really hard to do any sort of FP&A planning, analytics, budget if they're constantly having to question the data. So hear me out. Get yourself a good bookkeeper. Get somebody to help you out that truly understands the transactional accounting. If that information is accurate, if that information is consistent, and if it is done on a timely basis, you will get a better understanding of the true nature of your business. You'll totally understand where you're spending your money, where your revenue is going, and what is the underlying profit. At the end of the day, those are the things we need to know. From there, you can see your cash flows and you can see where you're spending money and allow you to do some sort of planning. Once you know that information is really good, that's when you get the people in that can help you with planning. That's the time you can really get somebody to look at your financials and make some strategic plans. Controllers, CFOs, FP&A people, they're wonderful, but you really do need great bookkeeping for them to be successful. Do not discount the bookkeeping aspect of it. So, my rant for the Friday: don't disregard bookkeepers. They're important to your business. You want to be successful, get a good bookkeeper. Anyway, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. And we'll talk soon.